Sophia. I'm back for another video. As you all can see here by the title, today's video is going to be a Fashionphile unboxing. I did go ahead and check something else off of my wish list, which I'm super excited about. And I'll be honest, this is not an unboxing like before, where it was like I wasn't really sure, or how can I put it? Like the last unboxing, I got it the same day and I recorded the video the same day. I got this Monday. Today is Friday. And girl, I've been carrying her all week. And sis is a go. Tag done been cut. Like, listen, love her. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. We'll chit chat, talk, discuss. Let's jump into it. All right, so here is the box. We got our Fashionphile nail file. The calendar, I did get another calendar because I did order this in March. We're gonna talk, okay? The thank you card. And they already trying to buy this back because they know they gave it to me at a price that was a steal. How it happened, I don't know. And I did something different this time, you guys. We're gonna talk about it. Like, we're gonna talk about it. But yeah, so here is the bag in the dust bag. And then, girl, we gotta talk about the fact that Fashionphile gave me 8 confetti this time, sis. 8, okay? What? I was talking to somebody on Instagram, and she was like, Brown Girl Lux here on Instagram. And she was here on Instagram. Girl, we are not on Instagram. We are on YouTube. But she's on Instagram. Y'all go follow her. I'll leave her link below. But she was saying they probably went in the back and found you some extra. And I think they did. Girl. Womp. But yeah, I did get a little extra compared to the last time. And then, of course, it's just the box is just stuffed with paper. And this came like wrapped around the dust bag. So here's the bag, like this, and here she is. I finally got my hands on the Alma BB in the damier bean print by Louis Vuitton. There's a story behind this because you guys know I told you I was willing to go pre-loved or boutique with this purchase. There have been recent price increases, and I just feel like Louis Vuitton has lost their mind. And it's just some things I'm not going to do. Spending $1,900 on her was one of them. So let's talk about the price that I was able to get it for. The fact that it came with everything. It had one little issue that I was able to get like rectified in 2 or 3 hours, like really quickly. And the fact that this is something that I basically have been following. And then shortly after I mentioned to you guys in a vlog that I was willing to get it pre-loved or in a boutique, it popped up. The price was right. Everything about it was right, except for that one thing. I reached out to my sales associate, got that check mark, and it was a go. So let's get into it. So finally got her. This is what she looks like. She's so pretty. I have been carrying her, so I'm not going to lie to y'all in the slightest. Been carrying her and love her. Okay, so this is what had happened. After I got that Givenchy tote, or it's not a tote, but bag, I reached out to my sales associate, Morgan, the new one that I met in January, and was like, hey girl, I know we were talking about canvas and the shortage and the fact that spring and summer is when they're looking to have more. I'm filming, Cam. Okay, can you finish your food and let me finish filming real quick?
No, mommy.
No. Okay. Sorry, y'all, my kids. Anyways, so back to what I was saying. I got the Givenchy bag, and then this I have been following. So even when I got the Givenchy bag, like I've been following this, but like didn't know it. Like I told y'all, I was looking both pre-loved and in the boutique. So sometimes I'll go on Fashionphile, I'll inspect a bag, and if it looks good, I'll kind of follow it. The price was right, and I have been following this, I think, since before the price increase. And I'm going to tell y'all why when I tell y'all how much I paid for it. So fast forward to right after that vlog. And I'll leave that vlog linked below, where I was like, I may do boutique, I may do pre-loved, it doesn't matter. I say like the next day or so, I'd woken up early and I was just kind of scouring through Fashionphile. And when I say early, this was a school day for Kaden, so I was up at like 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm just scrolling through and I see it on my follow list, because I actually, when I get on Fashionphile, I start with my follow list and then I kind of just go through. And I noticed this was on there and it was $15.25. And I was like, and it had a slash through what they were originally wanting, which was like 16 something. So I have been following this for a while. And I was like, that ain't right, because they just had a price increase. So I know, because they had been going through and like marking up everything, or anything that came out that was Louis Vuitton was overpriced. I've been watching. I keeps up. You know what I mean? So I was like, why is this bag $15.25? It's listed as excellent, and it was made in 2020. Something wrong with sis. So y'all know me. I get to investigate. And when I do this, that's because I'm blowing the screen up, sis. Okay? I got to see what's going on. And I'm looking, and I'm like, there's nothing wrong with her. I get to the inside, and then I get to this. It's hot stamped. The clochette is hot stamped. This was at 6 o'clock in the morning. Louis Vuitton opens here at 11, I believe. Is it 10 or 11? All I know is I text her at 11:15, because I was like, I'm going to let the bitch get some water. You know what I'm saying? Like, clock in and get you a little water. But I got a question. And I just basically, I didn't mention this bag. I was like, hey, I had it in the past and I just want to get this replaced. You know, can that be done? She was like, bring it in the store. I'll order it for you. I was like, how much are they? She was like, oh, I'll just order it for you. Sold. The bag was coming home with me. This is completely replaceable. It completely comes off. So I was like, bet, $15.25, and y'all just marked the price up to $17.20, and she's in excellent condition, and I can get this replaced for free. She come home with me. Just throw it in a bag. And that's what we did. But I did something different this time, because something was like, Roya, you haven't investigated that bag enough. Like, yes, it was on my follow list, but it wasn't something I was following to that magnitude where every day I was going and looking at it. So I did notice that in the listing, it had an ink mark. Womp womp. It was very tiny though. So again, I wasn't tripping on that. It came with the strap, which is in impeccable condition, had no wear, tear. I don't think the person was really, whoever had it was really using it. So that's fine. Like I said, this was hot stamped, but it's an embossed hot stamping. It's not like the foil. So you really cannot see it. Like, you have to, I don't know. Either way, it's being replaced, and I'm actually going to sell it back to Fashionphile. Sis, listen. Collecting all my coins back. Don't play with me. Especially when she said she was going to give it to me for free. I started researching them then. Like, oh, y'all be getting these $200? You be selling them for $200? Yeah. Gonna sell it back to you. Okay? And if you're not trying to give me the right price, I'll sell it myself and get me about $200. Anyway. Anyways, I'm dead ass for real, y'all. It also came with the lock and one of the keys in here. So with this dust bag as well, and the other key is in the clochette. It came with the original dust bag. It came with the textile card inside. And like I said, it has, actually, that's dirt for me. Girl, I've been carrying her. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I've been carrying her since Monday. She had one little, I don't even know if you can see it. Can y'all see that little ink mark right there? I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? I don't know. But she had one little ink mark. It's tiny, y'all. So tiny that I didn't care. She's made in France. I was like, of course. If you don't know, my entire Louis Vuitton collection, somehow, some way, by the grace of the gods, is all made in France pieces. Nothing. I've even had this new piece verified that I got back in January, made in France, even though it's the new NFT girl. I don't know. They got so many acronyms out right now. And I heard one of them related to some coin. That's the only reason I'm researching the other one. But whatever that new microchipping they're using in the Louis Vuitton stuff, I was able to get it verified that mine was made in France. So she was made in France. So that's, at that point I was sold. Once the sales associate told me that she was going to get the clochette for me for free, she was like, just bring it in. She's like, I'll be honest, it may take a little minute, but I can definitely get you a new one. I was like, say less, sis, say less. Structure on the bag is perfect. I drank a Red Bull too, y'all, so that's probably why I'm like all just, but I feel that way. But yeah, she's perfect. Feet at the bottom look really good. As you can see, there are no scratches to the leather. Nothing, y'all. She is perfect. And even the clochette, it says Eve. It's the hot stamping says Eve. And I was like, see, that's a sign from the Lord. You sent one of your peeps. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, that Red Bull has me wired. But yeah, the bag, I did research it. It does have a date code. It was made in August of 2020. And Fashionphile had it marked in excellent condition. So I was sold. There's no chipping to the hardware. I mean, the wear, like I said, was very, that one little ink mark. One little ink mark. So I'm in heaven. I love her already. I've carried her since I got her. I'm going to show you guys what I have in it. I'll be honest, I've already decided that me and this strap do not go. It just gets in my way. But I'm going to show y'all what I keep inside, or have been keeping, what fits. I've just been keeping, I can't even hold nothing up. I've just been keeping my Louis Vuitton Toiletry 15 inside. And fits really well. And then my wallet, let me put this little textile card back in the little slip pocket in the back, because it does have just this one pocket in the back. My card holder, the reverse monogram card holder, my lippies. I do not go nowhere, let me tell you. The Dior lip balm and the Dior lip maximizer are my favorite. So no matter what bag I'm carrying, I carry those. My Swarovski crystal pen, my AirPods. What is this? The Crabtree and Evelyn hand cream. The lock and key. Hairbrush. Buxom lippy. And some hand sanitizer. My sunglasses are actually downstairs, but if they weren't, I would just stick them on top. I've just been taking it and zipping up these two sides and going. She's the best little top handle bag. And the thing that I love is that, honestly, y'all, I'm also going to throw her in my little evening bag category. Perfect for date night, even like a more casual style wedding, because she's so small. But as you can see, mighty. And I am not, only thing I am going to do is take this hand sanitizer and just put it right here. But as you can see, I'm not compromising on space. We're not playing Tetris in here. Everything I need, I can readily access with no problem. So I have been loving that. It's only been 4 days, girl, but I have been loving that. And literally, y'all, I got the bag, wiped her down, disinfected it, and started carrying her. So it's already a love relationship. Not really feeling the strap, but I'm going to carry her for the next couple months, and then I will let you guys know how I'm feeling. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, y'all know what to do. Leave it in the comments. DM me on Instagram, because y'all know we kiki, and we cuts up on Instagram. So feel free to always DM me, send me a message. I don't mind. We chit chat, we talk. It's fun for me. So again, if you guys have any questions, anything you want to know. Oh, girl, price. I paid $15.25 for the bag. And this time, y'all, I didn't know that they do this, but they have this thing called reserve. And because I was so nervous, I reserved the bag and I paid it off in 2 payments. Yeah, the first payment I put like down, and then after my heart like calmed down and I talked to the SA and was like, okay, I can get this for free, and I was able to do like a day's worth of good hardcore inspection, I did after that go ahead and pull the trigger and just paid the remaining off. But if you did not know that Fashionphile does that, girl, that is a good tip and trick. I think when they sent me the email, they told me that I had 60 days to pay it off. Now I paid it off in like 17 days. Again, I just had to give myself, I had to think. I was just so the price, that's what it was. It was like $15.25. I need it. But then it was like, do I? Is something wrong with it to the point where I can't get my money? So I had to think about it, but I'm glad that that was even an option to do. So again, if you're looking for luxury things and items and bags and stuff like that, but you're like me and sometimes you're hesitant, Fashionphile has some options, girl. Some options. And don't feel bad if you find something that's hot stamped. If it is detachable, 9 times out of 10, Louis Vuitton will replace it for you. They may or may not charge you, just depends on, who you're talking to. But definitely reach out to your sales associate so that you can see if that's even an option. As always, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back and joining me. And if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscription button on your way out. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.